Hey foodies, welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into a world of comforting goodness, bread pudding. But wait, there's a twist. Stick around to discover the mouth-watering variations we have got in store for you. First up, the timeless classic comfort, a symphony of vanilla, bread, and nostalgia. It's a like-warm hug for your taste buds. Ready to embark on a flavored adventure? Our exotic twists will take your taste buds on a journey, from tropical fruits to chocolate indulgence. There's no holding back. Who said puddings cannot be savory? Brace yourselves for savory surprises, cheese, herbs, and a flavor party that will leave you craving more. Feeling inspired? It's time for some dye delights. Grab those mixing bowls, involve the family, and create your own bread pudding masterpiece. It's not just a dessert, it's an experience. For all our health conscious foodies out there, get ready for health food delights. We are transforming the traditional with whole grains, nuts, and a touch of honey. Indulgence without compromise. 'Tis the season for festive flavors. Dive into the holiday spirit with whimsical shapes, seasonal spices, and a sprinkle of festive joy. These bread puddings are not just desserts, they are celebrations on a plate. Get ready for a culinary journey with global fusion. We are taking bread pudding to new heights, exploring international flavors and cultural elements from Paris to Tokyo. Experience the world on your plate. And that's a wrap, foodies. Which bread pudding variation are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next episode of Blogging Good Food. Happy baking!